Good morning, teachers. Good morning, friends. My name is B. Hitikesh. I'm going to talk about solar system. Solar system is present in Milky Way galaxy with sun in the center and 8 planets revolving around the sun. Sun is a star. A star is a body in space that gives off light of its own. Sun is the main source of all forms of energy that we use. Solar energy is very important to life on Earth. Mercury is a smaller planet than the Earth. It goes around the Sun in 88 days. It has no moon. Life is not possible to this planet. Venus is slightly smaller than the Earth. It revolves around the sun once in 225 days. It has no moon. This planet is covered with a dense white cloudy atmosphere. This atmosphere reflects sunlight which makes brighter than any planet. Earth. It is oblate spheroid. Earth revolves around the sun once every 365 days. It rotates on its axis from west to east in every 24 hours. Earth is the only planet known to have living things. Mars. It orbits the sun once in 687 days. It is also called red planet. Its soil is rich in iron, which is reddish. Atmosphere is thinner than the Earth. Jupiter is the largest planet. It revolves around the sun once in about 12 years, 146 degrees Celsius. Its surface temperature. It have a ring which is barely visible and no solid surface. Saturn is known as the most beautiful of all the planets because of its ring. It revolves around the sun once in about 30 years. Uranus is 4 times larger than the Earth. It revolves around the sun in about 84 years. It is filled with methane atmosphere made of which gives its blue-green color. It is a cold planet with 210 degrees Celsius. Neptune revolves around the Sun in 165 days in an atmosphere circular orbit. It is also called windiest planet. Neptune is Uranus' twin because of the same size and is a cold planet. There are some dwarf planets. They are Ceres, Makemake, Dysnomia, Pluto, Charon, and Eris. Thank you.